two lines talking each other. First one. Hi bro, what happened? Did you hear? All the world is fearing with one disease. Really? What's the disease? Its name is Corona. Oh, Corona. I didn't hear this name before. What is meant by Corona? Corona is a disease. It will kill the people within the meantime easily. Oh, even me, I will kill everyone. Not like you, bro. It is very dangerous. Oh, really? It's okay. What about you? Did you get any food today? No, bro. I didn't get. I'm also searching for the food. Did you see any goat or cow or any animal? We will share each other. Oh, you are asking me? Even I didn't get any food today. I'm also searching for the food. Oh, baby. It's okay. We both will search. Okay? Okay. Corona, 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 Corona. Suddenly, another cruel animal was came. Its name is tiger. Tiger yawn. Oh, really? Tiger yawn. Hi, Tiger yawn. What about you? You are the Chinese tiger, right? Your China is feared with Corona. Chinese people or so many people are died with Corona. Real? Oh, yes, bro. So many people was died with Corona. Even my friends, my tiger friends also died. I am safe. No doubt, no doubt about it. Don't think, bro, maybe he is also get the Corona disease. Really? I don't know, bro. Maybe. If he has cold and flu, don't go near to him. Okay? Okay. Definitely, bro. I will be safe by my side. Oh, bro. Don't think negatively. I don't have Corona. Yesterday, doctors came and tested me. I heard their voice. They said this tiger don't have any Corona symptoms. You have to trust me, right? Because today I didn't get any food. You have to give some share in your food. Oh, bro. Even we both don't have any food today. Okay, we three will share food today. Okay, but with my condition, right? I will get biggest share and remaining you both will share. Okay? It's okay. Something you like we get. My belly is okay for that. Definitely. It's okay. Something is better than nothing. I will agree with your caution. Okay, thank you. In the meantime, one deer was coming. Deer was going very near to lion, tiger and fox. Hey, did you see? Did you see him? Did you see him? Yes, I see him. I see him. One deer was going very near to us. We had to catch her. Yeah, really. We have to catch her. Really, right. Oh, bro, what a catch. You're a good catcher, right? Oh, really, really. I appreciate. Thank you. He is getting jealous because that's the biggest deer. It's okay. He's saying, bro, if you give me the highest share, I will give you biggest share tomorrow morning. I am the king of this forest. I am the lion. You are giving me suggestions? Huh? Hey, don't give suggestions to him. He is the biggest lion in this forest. He is the king, okay? We have to respect him. Yeah, you're right, my boy. You will eat first, okay? Yeah, thank you. I will share my food. Thank you, bro. My share was done. It's okay. You go next, tiger. Yan. Okay. Oh, bro. He's running. He's running with food. Oh, bro. It's okay. We will catch him tomorrow morning. Don't worry. I will see him. I know where he was living. Okay. No problem. Definitely I will kill him. Definitely. Tomorrow morning I will kill him. Okay. Next day morning. Hey fox, did you get the tiger? Yes, I seen the tiger. But the tiger was died. Oh, really? Why the tiger was died? The tiger had corona. Oh, really? But how the tiger got the corona? Maybe yesterday she ate the deer. Maybe the deer had corona. Oh, baby. But I killed that deer right now. Maybe I will got the corona, right? Not only you, bro. Maybe I also get the corona. Oh, wow. Now what we will do? Is there any medicines? Yeah, medicines. We have to stop the non-vegetarian. We have to stop the non-veg food from now. We have to stop the non-veg food from now. Oh, really? Oh, very sad news. But I will not eat the vegetarian leaves, vegetarian vegetables, all the dirty items. Really? That is the dirty? You know, all the world will stop the non-veg items. Really? Oh, it's okay. What we will do? God-given gifts. We had to eat the vegetarian till corona was end. Okay. Happy. After 6 months. Bro, there is a cow near you. Yeah, it was eating some grass. Bro, there is a dog near you. Yeah, it was searching for some milk. Hey, there is another animal, right? It's okay. Hey, there is a water elephant, rhinoceros. Hey, there is a forest pig. There is another forest pig. It is his lover. There is a horse. After you stopped the non-veg, all the forest was filled with all the animals. all the animals are happy. It's okay. We have to continue our vegetarian food. Okay? Okay. Dear brothers and sisters, listen me. Please take precautions from corona. If you are not take the precautions, you will also die like a tiger. Please clean your hands number of times in a day. Friends, please maintain a kerchief or napkin with you every time. If you see any cold or cough persons, please go away from us. Okay? Friends, after using the napkins and kerchiefs, just burn them. If you have any doubt like flu, cough, cold or anything, just go to hospital and test it. If you get positive, don't panic. Just be positive. Actually, corona will kill your thinking. It will attack your mind first, next your body. If you are strong with your mind, definitely it will cure. Yeah. Please subscribe our channel quickly. Thank you, thank you, thank you.